This tutorial is intended to show patrons of the Marriott Library how to use the microform scanners and their corresponding software. This machine will allow you to read, scan, and save an image of your microform. It's located on level 2 in the south end of the Knowledge Commons. There are 3 types of microform: microfilm, microfiche, and microopaque. This tutorial will show you how to read microfiche. First, pull the handle to lift the glass and place the microfiche underneath. Then push the tray back into place. Next, we'll open the ViewScan Premium software located on the desktop. Click anywhere to begin. Here it gives us 3 options, and you can always choose Advanced mode as it gives you much more control over the microfiche. Alright, so here's our microfiche. Obviously there's a couple issues here. So first, let's straighten it out with the Straighten tool that you can find up at our top toolbar. With this tool, you want to draw a line parallel to the edge of the image. The program will correct the image so it appears straight on your computer. And our image is also really blurry, so let's use the Focus In and Focus Out buttons to make it clearer. Next, let's inverse the colors on our image with the positive-negative button on the top toolbar. And if you're looking for a particular page, you can adjust the scanner itself to move around the microfiche sheet. So now that you have the page that you want, let's use the digital zoom feature, which will magnify the microfiche without distorting it. And I'm just going to focus it a little bit more. And also our image is upside down and backwards, so let's use the Flip Vertical tool and Mirror Image tool to correct it. And since we use the digital zoom, we can use the scroll bars on the right side and the bottom to navigate around the microfiche. So this image looks pretty good, but the last adjustment I'd want to make is to adjust the image settings a bit. So I didn't use it in this video, but first try clicking on the Auto Adjust tool in that top toolbar, which will correct the brightness and contrast quite a bit. If it's still not great, you can go to Image Settings and manually adjust the brightness and contrast to make the microfiche a little more readable. Now, to capture your image, click Capture Full Frame in the bottom left corner, which will capture everything the camera is looking at. So basically what your screen was before you used the digital zoom feature. And that will save an image to this bar at the bottom of the software. But say you just want a part of a page or just one page. You can go up to the top and click the Cropping tab and then draw a rectangle around the image that you'd like to save. Then click Capture Cropped Area at the bottom of the software to save the image. To print your images, you can click the Instant Print button or Save to USB button at the top of the screen. Or you can use the File tab to save to your computer. Lastly, in order to close the program and turn off the scanner bulb correctly, you have to click the File tab, then the Exit button at the bottom of the left column. For tutorials on how to view microfilm or microopaque with the microform scanner, please see the additional videos.